In this video, I'm going to teach you the how to get silver fast on Total Battle. So if you wish to get silver fast on the Total Battle, what you can do is you can head over and then take this Reddit thread as a holy grail. As you can see, this user also wants the most efficient way to get silver, and it also needs to be free. So for this, as you can see, people actually shows you to actually join a good clan wherein you can receive 500 chests a day, and this can be helpful as well. So with this, you can get silver fast if you join a clan. So just bear in mind that in order to produce this volume chests, good clans have chest norms, which you will have to hit each week. So do take note of those as well. You need to make some achievements for them, and the better your clan is, the more that you have silver as well. So that's all there is today, and if you have any questions, comment them down below. Thanks so much for watching.